Hi, welcome to winterkids.com. I'm Heidi. I'm with Spyder Active Sports, and this is the girls' Thrill Pant. It is a fully waterproof insulated pant. Some of the other features are on the inside here. You do have an adjustable waist, just like with other regular lifestyle pants. You just pull it and it has the buttons, loophole buttons. This does have a grow feature on this girl's pant. You remove the red thread on the inside and it will grow an extra inch. And then you can see the back here with the waterproof back pockets, some belt loops just in case that girl wants to wear a belt. And then down here with the scuff guard going all the way around the bottom of the pant. And you also have your snow gaiter on the pant as well. And that's the girls' Thrill Pant by Spyder.